now we're going to focus on, with this fake rubber blade, how to actually employ a proper and well-educated stab, okay? So what's happening is this generally wants to be from the lead, all right? And it's coming right from my guard, much like a lead right or something like that, because it's basically like a fencer's jab. So as I'm here, moving right back, okay? And what's happening is, for the power, even though you don't need much power with the knife, is what's happening is, I'm actually coming forward, exactly, good block. I'm actually using the twist of my hips, my center, and I'm using my foot going forward towards the end of my foot with my knee. So it's here, okay? And this is the educated stab, all right? And you can actually go towards their hands, okay? But this is that technique, okay? Employing it just like a lead right. Your lead punch. Okay? And this is super hard to defend against when your opponent's an educated knife fighter, okay? But that's what we want to do. We want to develop good, solid techniques. There's a place for all these different strikes. Underneath, to the side, ice pick. The movement is, again, center line. My spine projected forward. What's happening is, and again, my feet are coming in at the very end. Okay? Let's telegraph.